I'm Mark David Eslaga. I'm 19 years old. I'm from QC Barangay Tatalon. I'm proud to say that I am a fresh graduate from one of the top university in the Philippines, National University, with the course of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I'm privileged to attend seminars and school activities to help us. With all of this, I think I'm qualified to accept this job to harness my skills in terms of programming and earn work experience to become more reliable and profitable employee in the future. To apply all the things that I have learned for the advance of my technology and to hone my multimedia skills for better and excellent contribution for the company that I will work. The full of pride of being one of the product of the National University graduates. These are the skills that I have learned. Proficiency of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Knowledgeable in C++ and Java. And finally, I'm proud because I learned from my professor who guided me to learn the Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Flash, and Adobe Effects and video editing. If you think that I am qualified enough for this job and your company needed skills that I have discussed a while ago, I would be happy to receive call from your company.